It is a good song on your Sunday, man. That's Summertime in the LBC. Brooke with you up until midnight on your My Nights. And he's hit the terrible side of... Ko Brooke ahau, ko roa peihu te maunga, ko tatan haui... If you're wondering why I'm talking on air and just randomly doing my pepeha, it's actually not that random. If someone yells out pepeha to you, you just have to bust it out. Doesn't matter where you are, what you're doing. So that's just happened to me. That's what's happened right there. We'll get back into the beats after the break. It's my... Kia ora, ko roa peihu te maunga, ko... Yeah, got it. That's the energy that we're after, team, and we're all happy. Cool. Kia ora. So in English, my pepeha means that roa peihu is my mountain, Monganui is my river, Aotea is my waka, Te Ata Hawanui a Paparangi is my tribe, Kawaiki is my home, and my name is Brooke Rusko.
Oh, sorry.
Ko Aotea te waka, ko roa peihu te maunga, ko Brooke Rusko ahau. Kia ora. Kia ora. Nah, ko roa peihu te maunga, ko Wanganui te awa, ko Aotea te waka, ko Te Ata Hawanui a Paparangi te iwi, ko Kawaiki te marae, ko Brooke Rusko ahau. Let's go.